I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 of my yearnings. Fear in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying. I've been wandering all day, tried to be fine but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts have troubled me. Fighting to give up my pain, fighting to be on my lane. My mind running to the other.
Hey friends, it's Evilise J, IVELISSE, and I'm back with another video. As y'all can see, my son is right here. He woke up probably like 20 minutes ago. Ooh. So he's like fully up and just ready to get out this room. So I'm gonna make this like really short. So as y'all can see from the title of this video, as y'all can see from the thumbnail, we're gonna be doing like a little Sunday reset. So I have a few things that I want done today, and my work week starts tomorrow. So hopefully we could get everything done today. So I want to wash my hair. I need to clean my room because I still have some stuff left over from like my big closet clean. I need to take some pictures for my depop. I need to do some laundry. I want to go out at some point today to do some like Instacart orders. I haven't started any of my morning routines, so I'm about to like actually get up and do that. But I was thinking like, why not make a video today? So yeah.
I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. I can't just be with you and only you. I got one Virgil, got one in that there's the only two, man. How many times have I shown it through, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving the potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels on the road, okay? Funny how life goes. He thought he was sick, now we wiping his nose, okay? Soon as you give him your soul, you blow up and they say you're selling your soul, okay? They want my life exposed, they wanna know about the highs and lows. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, we'll see what's about to happen. I'm making a change today. The liquor been taking the pain away. I heard you was giving your chain away. That's kinda like giving your fame away. What's wrong with you? I sit in a box where the owners do. A boss is a road that I've grown into. I love you to death, but I told you the truth. Hey. Yeah, I got one lawyer, got one in that there's the only two, man. How many times have I told you the truth, man? How many nights I've been woke, swerving them potholes, not trying to fuck up the wheels or fuck up the deals. I'm posted in Stockholm, it's me, the Owls, and the twins, it's only the real. I'm moving way too humble, Weezy and handed it off, I still got no fumbles. I'm on a hot 100, numero uno, this one ain't come with a bundle. I'm in the win, $1 million in chocolate chips, and that's your time my cookie crumble. I put a skirt on the whip and a crown on the 6, but there's no need to dress up the numbers, ayy, ayy. Yeah, but I can say my petty reasons. They wanna know how I'm living my day-to-day life in the regular season. Well, summer all I did was rest, okay? And New Year's all I did was stretch, okay? And Valentine's Day I had sex, okay? We'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen next, okay? Okay, okay, we'll see what's about to happen. Hey, hey, we'll see what's about to happen.
Alright y'all, I feel like we're off to like a good start so far. I already started my baby's laundry. I already cleaned my room. Y'all seen like there was like a bag just full of toys in my room that we had took from like downstairs because downstairs was getting a little too cluttered. And during like the holidays, there wasn't room for like all those toys to be right there. So y'all, that bag has been in my room that long, like since like Christmas for real. I had like cardboard boxes. I got rid of all of that. I just cleaned up. Like in here was looking real bad. My shoes, I need to figure out something to do with that. I don't know y'all, it's like getting too crowded over there. And I use my shoe rack as like a workout station, so I keep like my weights and my waist trainers and everything I keep over there, so it takes away from like how many shoes I can actually put on the rack. I already did my morning routine. My baby's downstairs eating breakfast right now with my mom, so yeah, that gave me a little bit of time to just come upstairs. I'm about to take a shower. I'm about to do some depop pictures, and yeah, I just wanted to like come update y'all, let y'all know what I've done so far, let y'all know what I'm about to do. So that's really what I'm about to do. I'm just about to set up everything for the depop pictures. Like always, I'm gonna put like a screen recording of me taking the pictures just so y'all can see. So this is my depop. If you guys want to look at what I have, the link is gonna be in the description below. So
Homer hanging on my neck, the bracelet matches a set. My brother name is Tina Dollar, stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate, she wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Ayy, 2 sprinters to Quebec. Chérie, où est mon bec? They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met. You know I gotta bring the set. You know I gotta bring the G block. You know I gotta bring the D block. Cause you know how sticky it get. Ayy. 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 She want me to play with that cat. Ayy. She love how I make it on wet. Ayy. You know how sticky it get. Ayy. Hey yo, Eric, bring them girls to the stage, cause somebody's getting paid. And free big slime out the cage. And shorty tried to play it cool, but now she wish she would've stayed. Cause every song that I made is ringing like I got engaged. I love my guys, I wouldn't trade. Ay, from the cradle to the grave. Ay, Gordo got me on the wave. Ay, and got me on the wave. Ay, couple hits, now you brave. What? You niggas better behave. What? All that pumping up your chest. What? All that talk about the best. What? You know how sticky it gets. If she alone, you know she a freak one. If it's an escort, it's a police one. King of the hill, you know it's a steep one. If we together, you know.
Alright y'all, so I just finished taking all my depop pictures. So this is all the pictures that I just uploaded. I have bins in the corner specifically for like depop pictures and depop items. So I had to go through and like compare what's on my page, what I'm still missing. Y'all see the sun coming in and out. It's okay. So that's what I was doing. It took me like 45 minutes, to be honest, to like take all the pictures, because some pictures was pants, some was shoes, some was tops, some was like miscellaneous items. So I had to keep moving the camera, but that's all done. Y'all, I usually do that probably like every 2 to 3 weeks, just like refresh whatever pictures is on my depop. If I'm in a thrift store, I'll usually like pick something up as I see it and just throw it in the bin. So I just be having like a lot of pictures to take at once. But right now I think I'm gonna do something with this hair. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna like refresh it. I don't feel like washing it because it's supposed to rain this week, so it's gonna get messed up and frizzy anyways. So I think I'm just gonna like throw some water on it, throw some product, just refresh it and all, because this is not it, y'all. Trying to figure out what else I have to do. The depop pictures was like my main thing. I actually think I still got a bin downstairs that I need to take pictures of. I had like a tote bag and I took everything out of that, but I'm just like looking at the bin made me remember I do have like a bin by the door that I still need to take pictures of. So as y'all know, I've been like Bible reading a lot. Like I try to get like a session in every day. So I bought this Bible. So I'm in the process of putting like the little tabs on it. You'll see these little like tabs on the side. I'm gonna put the link in the description below of the Bible and of the tabs and stuff. So I still have these to put on. So I'm gonna take some time to do that. Probably right now, to be honest, or after I like refresh my hair, so then as it's drying I could be doing this. I don't really speak on like my religious journey on here, but once I like start learning a little more and start doing a little more and start building that knowledge up, I can start like sharing my experiences, sharing what I do, and just like creating that type of content. Because y'all, like, I've really been like locked in. I still need to figure out what to do with my shoes. Yeah, I'm gonna go downstairs real quick, get the bin, and take my last minute pictures.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark. I got my niggas across the street living large. Thinking back to the fact that they dead, thought my raps wasn't facts, so they sat with the bars. I got 2 phones, one need a charge. Yeah, they twins, I can tell they ass apart. I got big packs coming on the way. I got big snacks coming out to save. I got Lil Max with me, he the wave. There's a big gap between us in the game. In the next life, I'm trying to stay paid. When I die, put my money in the When I die, put my money in the grave. I really gotta put a couple niggas in their place. Really just lap every nigga in a race. I really might tap, really stick on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the bass. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money out of game. I was on top when that shit been a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top, these niggas wanna swap. Niggas wanna swap like it's sauce in a Watts. I don't wanna change cause I'm good where I'm at. My tie, so I'm always good where I'm at. Word to Junior, Jazzy, every day. Tell them when I die, put my money in the crack.
Couple figures kill a star, look collect. She fuck a nigga, then she on to the next. Really living large, she ain't all with a rack. When you niggas think it's small in the mall with a rack. Roll with us if you really wanna get it. Go get a $500,000 in a sprinter. Phone ringing, bitch, you know a big cripple. I got the hook up in Man, I never talk about it. The homie squad, but we all smoke the loudest. Rich niggas ain't really being modest, cause the way I do my deals never treated like a artist in the house. You can DM my account. My per diem 6 figures and I'm counting. 9 figures was the goal till I hit it. These niggas ain't living, so bury mine with me.
Maybach music.
Alright y'all, so this is the last time I'm actually coming to talk to y'all. Whatever I do after this, I'm just gonna add it in as like a clip after I speak. I feel like there's no need to do any extra updating because literally after, like I said, I say this, I really don't know what's gonna happen. So I had a productive like Sunday. I had a nice little reset. I just did my eyebrows. That wasn't originally on the list, but it needed to get done. So yeah, my laundry's still drying. I already put away my baby's laundry, as y'all seen. I added some more tabs to my Bible. I Bible read for a little bit today. So yeah, like I said, like it was a very productive Sunday. Like I didn't get a chance to wash my hair, but I just like refreshed it. I just added some water, some more products, whatever. Pretty sure it's going in a bun tomorrow, so it really doesn't matter. The only thing I know I want to do is shave my legs, but I don't know, my baby's about to wake up. So yeah, like I said, that's about it. My work week starts tomorrow, so I might do like a vlog one of the days that I work so y'all could see like a day in my life when I work, or I don't know, something like that. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really hope it pushed y'all to do some like resetting, some whatever y'all been like pushing off this week. Just make sure y'all get it done, because a lot of this stuff been on my like to-do list for like a couple months. But like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed, and stay tuned for future videos.
I got a pack, get him and do it again. Fucking, I'm fucking a friend. I got bands, money, I'm flying to friends. Chicken till a nigga land. You got a man, know what I do to your mans. No, I ain't shooting the hands. Took an airline, took one again. Crashed a Ferrari, so I hopped so in. It's crazy how you watch a young nigga gon' move. It's crazy worry about yourself, nigga, make a move. You steady watching all the winning niggas, you gon' lose. I don't gotta prove. You steady watching all the winning niggas, you gon' lose. I don't ever lose. Flying my mind to Japan, flying my dad to Japan. We in advance, we gon' link up with the fam. Yeah, I'm talking NBN, yeah. Buddy, I don't never lie. That chopper make a nigga dance. Versatile free.